Okay, this video we will continue the introduction for the for the home page. Okay, introduction. We go home and continue introduction for this one. Tenon precise speed. I press this button, so you come here. Okay, for the Tenon precise speed page, is to set up this one. This is the Tenon height. Okay, so we can check here. Okay, this one is same. We can see this. The Tenon height is driven by the gearbox with a frequency inverter. So we can set up different speed for the feed speed and back speed, and also feed forward slow speed and feed backward slow speed. We can check here. We have 4 sensors. Okay, this is the front limit. This is the front forward slow speed sensor. At the back, we have a back limit, and this one is a back forward slow speed. For this speed, we can set up on the touch screen page. Okay, we come back here. Yes, so this one is show the current speed doesn't change. So here, left Tenon body forward speed. So you can just press here, you can change it. This is the production speed. So for this one, we can firstly use the slow speed and do some test karting. You can change the speed as per your wood hardness, okay, and the finishing quality. And here is locked left Tenon body forward slow speed and backward speed and backward slow speed, okay. And here is the right Tenon. This is left Tenon. If necessary, if you want to change other data, you need to unlock, okay. The unlock code is 2252, okay. Yeah, so you can change others, for example. Yeah, but for this data we don't need to change. It's already set up well at the factory. Here is a menu control button to feed forward and backward for the Tenon body. Okay, let me make show you. This is for the left one. Okay, I will do the left Tenon body forward and backward. Okay, this is forward. I press left Tenon body backward. Okay, now I test the right one. Okay, right Tenon body forward. Right Tenon body backward. Okay, so for this page, we finish the introduction. We click. Okay, now we come back to the home page. Okay, next one, I will introduce a monitor page. For this one, here we can check the each input and the output. Okay, now we add the input page. We can check each sensor is correct or not. Okay, for example, I will check the e-stop, emergency stop switch. The switch is good or not. I press it. Okay. After press it, here change green. That means it's okay. Yeah. Another one. For example, I will test some sensor for the feeding servo motor. Okay. For the left and feed front limit. Okay. I will try this one, the X3. Firstly, I will find a metal switch and touch the front sensor. Okay, we can see here the sensor is light on. That means it's okay, but I need to double check whether the PLC gets the signal or not. You can check here. You can check S3 is light light on or not. If it is light on, that means this sensor is good. Yeah. You also check other sensors by this way. For example, for the air cylinder, we also have sensor. This is bottom sensor. This is the up sensor. For example, when the undersaw is at the bottom, at the bottom place, but this sensor we find here, we can see the undercut saw here. This is the right undersaw down limited. Okay, now it's okay because it's a light on. It has signal for the PLC input, but when we found the undersaw is at the bottom place, but this signal no light on, that means the sensor doesn't work normally. We need to double check. We need to come here. We need to check this sensor is light on or not. If it isn't light on, we need to loosen the switch and change its place, and make sure this sensor light on, then we relocate. If when we move the place, the sensor still doesn't light on, that means the sensor is failed. We need to change a new one. For example, I will make I cannot make showing because I cannot find the proper wrench now, so I don't show it. Okay, so that is the method. Now we come to the monitor Y, the output. I press this page, so now is output. Yeah, so we can see here. Here, this is the light on. That means frame length servo direction. It has this. The direction is the light on. Okay, that is for the servo motor. Okay. Okay. This is monitor the output. Also here in the monitor M. For this, it isn't necessary for the user. This is for the programmer reference. Okay. Now we come back. Okay. Okay. Here we have another one for the factory data. This normally is for the factory data setup. The user don't need to see it. Okay. Anyway, I will show some information inside. Okay. Okay, now we check the factory data. Okay, here. So this data is very important. You don't need to change, otherwise the machine cannot work correctly. Okay. So this is the servo motor coefficient. Next one. Next one is auto go reference frequency. This is normally at 0. Okay. Here. I just make introduction for this because we can check here. When the frame length is long enough, the two pen heads can work together. They cannot damage each other or touch each other. Okay. When your frame is too short, for example, if less than 870, the two pen heads cannot work together. They will be work separately. Firstly, the left pen head do the production firstly and go back, and then